When it comes to building wealth, it's not just about making a lot of money, it's about using that money wisely. That's where smart money tactics come in, and today I want to share some of the most effective strategies for taking control of your finances and achieving financial freedom. Debt is a major obstacle for many people, and it's easy to see why. High interest rates, endless credit card bills, and student loans can feel like a weight that's holding you back. But the truth is, debt doesn't have to be a lifelong sentence. By creating a solid budget, prioritizing your payments, and taking advantage of balanced transfer offers, you can start to chip away at that debt and free up more money in your budget. Another common challenge is lack of savings. We've all been there living paycheck to paycheck with no safety net to fall back on. But the reality is, you never know when an emergency is going to pop up, and having some cash set aside can be a lifesaver. So, start small. Try setting aside just $10 or $20 a week and watch your savings grow over time. And then there's the issue of poor investment choices. We've all heard the cautionary tales of people who invested everything in a single stock, only to watch it tank. Or those who put all their eggs in one basket, and then saw their entire fortune disappear. The key is to diversify. Spread your money across a range of investments, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. But what about when you're not even sure where to start? Maybe you're not a financial expert, and the thought of investing or budgeting feels overwhelming. That's okay. The important thing is that you're taking the first step. Start by educating yourself, reading up on personal finance and seeking out advice from trusted sources. One of the most powerful smart money tactics out there is budgeting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Budgeting sounds boring, restrictive, and just plain hard. But trust me, it's worth it. By creating a budget that actually works for you, you can free up more money for the things you love and start building wealth. Another tactic is investing wisely. This doesn't have to mean putting all your money in the stock market. There are plenty of other options out there, from real estate to mutual funds. The key is to do your research, set clear financial goals, and avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes. Diversifying your income streams is also a game changer. This might mean starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or even generating passive income through online sales. The idea is to create multiple streams of income so that you're not reliant on just one job or investment. One strategy that has worked for many people is the 50-30-20 rule. Essentially, this means allocating 50% of your income towards necessary expenses like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending like dining out and entertainment, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. It's not a hard and fast rule, but it can be a useful guideline for getting your finances on track. Another strategy is the concept of paying yourself first. This means setting aside a certain amount of money each month, whether it's $50 or $500, and treating it as non-negotiable. This could be savings, investments, or even a fun splurge. The key is to prioritize your own financial goals. By implementing these smart money tactics, you can start to see real results in your financial life. You'll be building wealth, paying off debt, and creating a safety net for the future. In conclusion, smart money tactics are essential for anyone looking to achieve financial success. By taking control of your finances, investing wisely, and diversifying your income streams, you can start to build the wealth you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite money tactics, and be sure to check out my other videos for more financial advice.